Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you downgrade your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro from any beta version. Because yesterday OnePlus rolled out stable version of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 8 series, and right now most of the users are running open betas based on Android 11. And lots of you guys have questions, how do we downgrade to stable channel? So in this video, we'll show you how can you downgrade your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro from any beta version to stable Android version of Oxygen OS 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Basically, we have two methods to downgrade your device to stable channel. One will be the MSM tool, but we won't be using MSM tool. In this video, I'll give you a downgrade file which can help you downgrading your device to stable version of Oxygen OS based on Android 10. And after that, you can update to stable version of Android 11 via OTA update. And this downgrade file will work on any open beta. Like if you are running Hydrogen OS Open Beta 3, then also you can use this downgrade file to roll back to Oxygen OS stable version based on Android 10. So right now here you can see I am running Hydrogen OS, which is Open Beta 3 for OnePlus 8, and that's based on Android 11. I have personally tested on Oxygen OS Open Beta 2, and in that case also you can easily downgrade your device from Open Beta 2 to stable version of Oxygen OS 10. And if you guys are not happy with the stable version of Oxygen OS 11, then still you can use the same file to downgrade your device to Oxygen OS 10. So here you can see my device is running Android 11, which is based on Hydrogen OS Open Beta 3. There are files available in the description below. If you have Indian device, then download the Indian variant. If you have EU device, then download the EU version. And if you have global version of OnePlus 8, then download the global version file. And this is my Indian variant, so I have downloaded the Indian version of rollback package. Once you download, you need to place it inside the internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. Once you have done that, you need to go to settings, system update, and you need to tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner. Select local upgrade, and you should see this file. And one more thing you need to keep in mind, if you're downgrading from any version, your entire data will be wiped. So make sure to take backup of your device. Let's select this file. This will give you a warning that the package you have selected will reset to factory default after installation. Tap on confirm and the installation process should start. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. And here we go. Our device has been successfully downgraded to Android 10. You can complete the initial setup. After your device has been downgraded, the Android version on your device will be 10.5.10 depending on your region. And after this, for those people who are on beta channel, they can use OTA update, or you can find the files of Oxygen OS 11 for your particular device. Either you can do a local upgrade if you haven't received the OTA update, and if you want to stick to Android 10, you can be on Android 10. So guys, this way you can downgrade your any OnePlus 8 from beta channel to stable channel. And after that, you can upgrade your device to Android 11. If you guys haven't received the OTA update, as I said, files are available in the description below. You can download those files and update your device to stable Android 11. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.